Hey guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance, saving and investing, and in today's video, which is taken from the show Your Money and You on UFM, I talk about how you can identify money-making opportunities by learning how to view obstacles in daily life as chances to make lots and lots of money if you're the one that can solve those problems or solve those obstacles. Because if you think about it, many of our favorite products and services are actually things that meet a need or solve a problem. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope that you like the video by clicking on the like button just underneath the video, and that you subscribe to my channel as well by clicking on the red subscribe button.
Wondering, how can I identify a big business opportunity? What say you?
Simply by opening up your eyes, or your mind's eye, if you want to get deep. There are opportunities everywhere. If we're all being honest, you can be in traffic and you are complaining that, oh, this Lekki Express traffic is horrible, when will the government fix it? So that can be one person's thinking. Another person's thinking could be, how can I solve this traffic issue? How can we use the waterways to access maybe from Marina to maybe Aja or something like that, and cut down the time and not have to spend so many hours in traffic, or maybe even build. And that's the thing with ideas and business opportunities. They seem so wild and outrageous at the time to us common people, but to those people who actually do these things, they are the ones that run with it. Several times I've thought of, if they built a rail system over the Lekki Express from first roundabout all the way down to Aja. You see it in Japan, in Asia, and in some parts of in first world countries, where over an express there's a rail system that has like light rail. What would it take to build that goes from, say, first roundabout all the way down to Abraham Adesanya, cutting down that traffic time to maybe like 10 minutes, without making any stops? These are the thoughts that the billionaires have, that you and I don't have, or that you and I hear and they laugh at it. But somebody else will run with it, execute it over a period of time, like, oh my God, and so I mean, the world is, at the end of the day, consumers and manufacturers or producers. Thanks for watching, guys. I have other videos like this one, so be sure to click on the videos tab on my channel to check out some more videos, or just click on the videos showing on the screen right now. And have you liked this video? Be sure to do that too by clicking on the like button.